Okay, so here's the choice board. And if you go down to the second slide, there are some instructions to first make a copy. So you are going to go to File, and then you scroll down to make a copy. You don't have to click it, it'll just open up the next box. Then you go to Entire Presentation, and you click it. And then you go, okay. Sorry, that's my doggy barking. And these are all activities that you can choose from whenever it's time to do a choice board activity. So for today and tomorrow and Friday, you get to choose 5, or you can do more if you want to. So these are some reading activities. These are some writing activities. These are some word work activities. These are math activities. These are science activities. And these are some extra activities, kind of some fun ones, art and other kinds of expression. So you can choose an activity. So let's say you want to write an acrostic poem. Remember acrostic poems? This one is called Garden. So you can write it on paper, you can do it on the internet, you can do it on your whiteboard, you can do it however you want. And when you're done, you're going to go to this green X and you're going to click it so it has a box around it. Then, if you remember what Miss Tegan taught us, we have our left click like normal. You're going to right click. And you're going to go to copy. And you're going to left click again, the regular kind of click. Now you're going to left click, you're going to right click somewhere else. So maybe I'll just go over here and I'm going to right click. That's the other side. And you're going to go down and you're going to paste with your left click, normal click. Look, I have another one. So now I can grab that one and drag it over and cover it up because I already did that one. And then you can choose another one when you're ready. And when you do that, you're going to repeat the process. You're going to copy and paste, just like we practiced lots of times with Miss Tegan in technology. Then drag it and cover the one that you did, okay, until you have 5. Good luck.